did a model of the impact and explosion of a rocket, missile, or a bomb over a concrete slab. And let me click on the animate time story. This is the impact. After the impact, a little bit penetration happen of the rocket, and then the explosion happens. See, this is the impact and then the explosion, and this is the damage of the concrete. You can see here the damage happened during the impact, then the explosion happened. We use JWL equation of state to model the TNT, Johnson-Cook damage and plasticity the rocket, and Johnson-Holmquist to model the concrete. We can request other results for the concrete. See, and this is the missile impact phenomenon. You can see that we can replace, for instance, first the concrete to check the result for it. It is completely damaged. You can see that the stress, the tactile damage criterion, the yield criterion, anything else. And also we can request a rocket. See the rocket, at first the impact happened, the impact and then the explosion. You can see that. And we can also request the TNT and pressure for it. See, it's me to use this frame by frame, and this is the explosion. You can see that. Also we can request displacement. And this is the impact model. The detonation of the TNT material is happened after the impact. After a while the impact happened, but it can happen exactly at the impact time, or after, or before that. We can change the time of the explosion. In this tutorial, after the impact and penetration, the explosion happened, but we can change it, no problem with this. So, if you need to model the missile impact or bomb explosion or anything like that, you can provide this tutorial. We explain everything from A to Zeta in this tutorial, and you can find it here on our website. You can find it here on our website here. These here, this is the model simulation, rocket impact and explosion. You can find it here. Click on blue sign, then you will have the title, explanation about the geometries, material step interaction law, and the result as figured here. The file contains CINP codes, English video, and a reference for the material. The cost for that is 29 euros. We use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for your attention.